Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to sign up in ChatGPT. Watch this complete video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. If you want to sign up in ChatGPT, the process is quite easy. Open up the Google Chrome browser first and open the website openai.com/blog/chatgpt, and OpenAI website is opened in our browser. Now click on Try ChatGPT, which is at the bottom left corner. If you have already created an account, then click on Login, and if you want to create a new account for ChatGPT, just click on Sign Up. To create a new account, you need an email address, or you can also continue with your Google account or with the Microsoft account. After enter your email address, click on continue. After that, you need to create a password, and your password must be 8 characters long. After setting up your password, click on continue. Now you need to verify your email address that you provided. Click on open Gmail. This will take you to your email, and click on mail received from OpenAI and click on verify email address. Once your email has been verified, you need to enter your first and last name and then click on continue. And now select your country and enter your phone number and click on send code, and then enter the code that you received on your mobile number, and this will take you to the next page. A new window will open for research preview in order to know how you can use ChatGPT, and once you completed the tour, you will be able to see that you have successfully signed up in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a new tool from OpenAI that allow you to have a conversation with chatbot. All you have to do is to type in the text box and click on enter to receive your information. So through this way, you can sign up in ChatGPT. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.